Welcome to KSMS Academy. And now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 18 December 2021. Rising women's legal age of marriage to 21 in House agenda. So, with 4 sittings of winter session remaining, the government has readied 8 bills, which includes Prohibition of Child Marriage Bill 2021 and ఇది women యొక్క లీగల్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యారేజ్ని 18 నుంచి 21కి తీసుకొస్తుంది. And the other important bills include supplementary demands for grants or appropriation bill and election laws amendment bill 2021, which aims at linking Aadhaar card with voter card. IUML opposes move to change age of marriage. So the Indian Union Muslim League has passed an adjournment motion in the parliament opposing the government's proposal to raise the age of marriage for women to 21 years, calling it an attempt to encroach on Muslim personal law. ఈ విమెన్ యొక్క లీగల్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యారేజ్ 21కి పెంచడం వల్ల ముస్లిం పర్సనల్ లా కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ because of this, the Union Muslim League has passed an adjournment motion, which is usually passed in Lok Sabha, and it is passed in order to attract attention towards issues of serious public importance. Ecologists oppose changes to Biological Diversity Act 2022. So this act is an act of parliament and it is implemented in order to conserve biological diversity and also ensure fair and equitable sharing of benefits which arise out of biological resources in indigenous and local communities. So ఈ యాక్ట్ అనేది బయాలజికల్ డైవర్సిటీని కన్జర్వ్ చేయడానికి అండ్ ఆల్సో బయాలజికల్ రీసోర్సెస్ యూజ్ చేయడం ద్వారా వచ్చిన ప్రాఫిట్స్ని ఫేర్ ఇంకా ఈక్విటబుల్గా లోకల్ కమ్యూనిటీస్తో పాటు షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి అన్న దీంతో దీన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేశారు. అండ్ దిస్ యాక్ట్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ అమెండెడ్ and environmentalists are concerned about it as amendment అనేది it will prioritize intellectual property in commercial trade rather than conserving biological resources, and it will also exempt registered Ayush medical practitioners and people from giving prior intimation to state biodiversity boards for accessing biological resources for certain purposes. And also a legal initiative for forest and environment said amendment అనేది it will undo all the effort we put into till now in order to conserve biodiversity. There was not a single provision. So ఈ amendments ఎన్నిట్లోనూ కూడా there was not a single word talking about protection, conservation and sustainable use and conservation of biodiversity or increasing the stake of local communities. Russia drafts back to limit US North Atlantic Treaty Organization role in Soviet nations. So Russia has recently sent proposals to US and NATO countries, and US is ready to talk with Russia, but it is completely against Russia invading Ukraine. And according to the West countries, Russia has been readying nearly 1 lakh troops in order to attack Ukraine. Thank you.